Lightning Lobsta. I always thought it was a hard R, like lobster. Stir the coffee. Lightning Lobsta. Double L. Bailey. Scuba diver. Uh, you're kind of the bomb, you know? You communicate, which is so great. And you do your job, and you like will talk to me, but also tell me when you don't want to talk. And we didn't have that many interactions, you know, but I never felt like I left an interaction with you with a negative feeling. And that's not an easy thing, honestly, because I have like OCD, so I turn even the tiniest little negative thing in like a big negative thing, and I never had that with you. Which to me says that like there was nothing negative to read at all, which I really appreciate because like positivity makes me feel positive and makes me do my job better. So I'll see you later, Lightning Lobster.